listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
You know, like your yellow fever thing.
I see that thing is.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah.
So they just said no, because that's where they will write no la. Imane, vana vakwela and everything. But every year
You must update.
it's updated in 10. So as a result, remember Lokunibuya, of course, ni sabas very renew, but they need 10 rand to do that. So Kurna Derela Dereli is neither here nor there. 10 rand
You can afford.
10 rand I can afford. Remember she's sola hosi, usola usuki.
Oh.
So if they think Wadelela, they won't keep you here. They'll say no, in our time, I'll family Polo Mangata, Nata Samakwan, you see. Yeah, as long as in Samala, you are obliged. Kurnola Unibuya, the final way to break, the whale, the corner, and the way of Tarinua.
She's on a horse, so
She's sola hosi, sola husuki.
Out there.
In other words, you can't just be kind of Malaka Mshaba, who knows him Shaba in that. But I can say, Kurino, I know in the Kurino. It's okay. So when somebody says no, I'm on.
But it was crippling to us. Imagine, search barometer and wash all the text, never even contributor as mood.
Yeah.
Central government.
Yeah. Remember, but that time, very little went to central government. Because Hala Juni,
40 seconds left.
you
Central.
Central. But Lia Yabo 10 rand, maybe 2 rand Sala Kawosini, 8 rand, you know.
Please back and
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.